Hey, I'm Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I'm going to show you the two-wire surveillance earpiece kit for the Motorola SL300. And this earpiece kit will work with the non-display and display version. So this earpiece connector is actually the M8, and on the side of this radio will be the audio port. And for this specific earpiece, there's a way to insert this properly, and it would be to line up the two indicators on one side and twist up, and then you know it's completely secure. What's really great about this radio is you can actually use a belt clip with it and the earpiece will not get in the way. So you can have this on your waistline, you can have the push to talk button on your collar or on your sleeve if you have long sleeves. Your earpiece can either go on the right or left side, and then there's an alligator clip so it doesn't fall down your shirt. To get your two-wire surveillance kit for your radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys!